Hi everybody, Marshall with Haven Spa Pool and Hearth here. Today I just wanted to talk really briefly about cleaning out the burn pot liner in your pellet stove and the reasons why that is important. Obviously, we want the burn pot liner to be completely free, or as much as possible, of debris so that when the pellets hit that burn pot liner, they get the most airflow, the best combustion, and produce the most heat for your home. Another reason is that as that builds up, it can cause problems with your igniter, so your pellets aren't going to ignite the way you want them to. And also, if you let it build up, it gets hot spots and it actually will burn through your burn pot liner. So fairly often, I do ours every day, you're going to want to get in and get your burn pot liner out. This mechanism here that's connected is actually the burn pot. This is a burn pot liner. So if you look in here, you can see there's a hole over here where the igniter goes. So if we were to leave garbage in there, the igniter wouldn't work right. So just dump it out daily or every bag of pellets, scrape it out with your scraper and put it back in. That's gonna make sure that it runs the best for you and you get the best life out of your burn pot liner. Stop by any one of our 4 locations and we're happy to help go over it with you. Quick reminder, whether it's pellets or ashes or wood or anything like that, those embers can remain hot for a really long time, so you want to make sure that as you're cleaning things out, it's properly cooled and that you're using the right equipment to take the hot stuff out and to store it. Use metal, wait for it to cool.